Do you know, as a small channel, you can actually use your short to complete your 4,000 watch hours and still use that short to promote your videos. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually complete your 4,000 watch hour using your short videos. And I'll also tell you how you can upload that same short and use it to complete your 4,000 watch hour. Now, if you have been struggling to get your 4,000 watch hour after doing everything a lot of creators out there are telling you, and you are still not getting that watch hours, you are still not getting that growth on your channel. Now, this particular method I'm going to be sharing with you will help you complete your 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube monetization. I mean, for YouTube to now invite you to join into their partnership program. And with this short method that I'm about to share with you, you will use it to get more views. It's not only watch hours, you get more views, you get watch hours, you also use it to promote your long form videos. You see that your video that are not been getting views, you use this short format, this short method to use it to promote your short. This is the method I've been using in other of my channel, and currently I'm at over 3,600 watch hours. So all you have to do is watch this very video till the very end, because if you miss step one, you are going to miss the whole of the step, and at the end you will not get the result. Okay, so if this is a video you actually want to see, or a video that will help you accumulate your 4,000 watch hour, please don't forget to support this channel by hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload videos like this. So without any further ado, let me show you what you are going to do to get your 4,000 watch hour using your short videos. Okay, come with me, let's go right now. I want you to open to YouTube app, I mean this particular app where you always watch video from YouTube. So come over to this plus sign. You see this plus sign here, click on this plus sign. It's going to bring you to this interface where you click on this ad. Once you click on this ad, it will not take you to your phone gallery. Now this is where you have to select the short you want to post, and mind you that your short must be below 3 minutes. Yes, if it is of 3 minutes, that means it's regarded as long form video. So you need to make sure that your short is above 3 minutes. Okay, now because you're going to use that short to complete your 4,000 watch hours. Okay, click on the short you want to upload, click on next. To click on next, it will now bring you to this interface. Okay, if you look at this right side, you see 3 minutes. Yes, but this video is not up to 3 minutes. This is just to tell you that your short must reach 3 minutes or it will be below 3 minutes, but this one is below 3 minutes. Okay, now the next thing you are going to do is to click on this done. Just calm down, relax. Okay, calm down. I'm going to teach you everything. You see that your 4,000 watch hour that you are finding difficult to, you are going to complete it. You are going to get it from the 1 to 0 from this method I'll be sharing with you. So come right here and click on done. Once you click on done, now it will bring you to this interface where you are going to upload the short. Okay, and again, if you want to make your short to pop out in the in the short feed, in the short FYP, you can also add a text to it, so that text can also be like a title, like be another way to leverage the short. Okay, click on this icon, icon, and put your text. Okay, once you have imputed the text, click on this next. Then once you click on this next, now this is the major part you need to pay attention. Yes, you don't need to make mistake in this particular part. Okay, now this is where you are going to title the short. Add a title to that short and make sure that that title is not anyhow title, like title that people have seen 1,000 times, a million times. Okay, but something that is catchy. It must be related to what the video is all about. It's not when you are uploading football shorts, you are giving it a medical title. No, but this one is all about enjoyment, music, and all about life. You can say you won't succeed if you do this. Okay, now let's say this is the title of the video of the short. Now anybody that sees this title will be like, I I won't succeed if I do this. Okay, what is that I will do so that I will not succeed? No, you're leaving people information in their head. But before you upload the short, you go ahead to upload the short. I want you to put a thumbnail to this short. I know some people will be like, oh, how will I put a thumbnail? I think it's only long form video that they put thumbnail. Short also have a thumbnail feature where you can put short. Now for you to put short, come over to this pencil icon, click on it. Once you click on it, it will now process it. Now this is where you have to select the most interesting, maybe the most captivating part of the video of the short. Okay, let me just choose any one that is more captivating. I think this one is more captivating, or anyone, just pick anyone that is more captivating. Once you have picking it, you click on this good icon. Don't worry, we are getting there. Okay, so now once you have created your thumbnail, the short thumbnail, you come over to the title. Make sure that you put one hashtag. Yes, do not put more than one hashtags, because this is short. We are going to be putting hashtag short. Yes, because this is short, and anybody, you can see the list of this hashtag short. Okay, click on the one that have the highest searched volume, which is this first one that have 1.7 billion videos. Click on it. Now do not put more than one hashtag. Okay, because you want this video to basically be pushed to short feed. Okay, anybody that is watching short, it will be pushed to them. Okay, another thing that a lot of us are failing not to do, and that is why our shorts are not going viral, is because you are not putting the necessary things, turning off some setting and turning on some settings. Okay, so click on this show more. Once you click on this show more, always make sure that your visibility is on public, because shorts will always publish shorts immediately. Okay, mine is on private. I'll put it on public. Okay, now the next one is you put your audience. Make sure that this short is not made for kids, because if you indicate it's made for kids, YouTube is going to push it to kids, and kids won't watch it. Okay, now another thing is to add a description. Make sure you add a description to the video. How to grow on YouTube the right way. Use the necessary keywords. Okay, then the next thing is to add to playlists. A lot of people are not adding their video to playlists, so make sure you add one to your playlist. If you don't know how to create a playlist, let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'll kindly make a video about how to create your playlist. Okay, so add it to one of your playlists and click on done. Then come over here, there are the right attributes, and identify whether this short is made with AI or not made with AI. So you click on AI use and identify that it's not made with AI, so that YouTube will push it very, very well. Okay, then here you add tags and all of that, maybe viral short, because that is why some people type viral short and then trending short, your video will pop up because you use the necessary tags. Okay, here you add viral shorts, you write trending shorts, and a lot of them. Okay, so now once you have imputed it, then the next thing you are going to do is make sure that everything is okay here. Then the next thing is to click on upload short. Okay, once you click on upload short, it will now be uploaded to your short. Okay, now the next thing is for us to now use this short to accumulate our 4,000 watch hours. Now what are you going to do is to come over to your short feed, this particular short feed. You select the video you want to use it to complete your 4,000 watch hour. Let's say that video I want to use it to complete your 4,000 watch hour is getting you views, like it's going viral. Okay, now let's take for example this particular video, just for the sake of this tutorial, is actually going viral, and I want to use it to promote one of my long form. Okay, now once I click on, you see this three icon here, this three icon you are seeing on this place here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. You click on edit. Once you click on edit, then you come down here. Did you see this place that they say related video? Now this is the feature for you to now use this shot that is going viral, that your shot that is going viral, to now use it to complete your 4,000 watch hour. I mean, to use it and connect your long form video that are not doing well, that particular video that are not doing well. Okay, so click on this related video to now bring you to this interface. It will bring you to all your videos, both your short, both your live, both everything. So let's say this particular video of mine didn't go well and I want to, promote it. I will click on the video and it has been added. Okay, now once you click on the video, you now click on save. Okay, the video had been saved. Now this is how you can actually complete your 4,000 watch hours by promoting your video on your own YouTube and getting the views, getting the visibility, and getting the watch hours you deserve. A lot of YouTubers are not telling us this particular side. They don't tell us the main thing, like they don't go deep inside of the back end of what you're going to do to get your 4,000 watch hour. Upload YouTube short the right way. Yes, use this method and upload it the right way and you get your 4,000 watch hour. Now these are the things I did on the other of my channel. Yes, like I told you, and I got about 3,600 plus watch hours on that channel. And it's not only on short, both my long form video, I promote everything and I'm already close to monetization. Okay, so try this method because I'm very confident with this method. Okay, try it and don't forget to come back in this same video and give me your testimony. I mean, share your positive words, outcome, your positive result. Okay, thank you. If this video helped you to find a easy route to get your 4,000 watch hour, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.